In the night skies of New Jersey, mysterious drones have captured imaginations, intertwining alien theories with Christian prophecy. These aren't just surveillance devices. Some speculate they're part of Project Bluebeam, staging divine-like events through technology. But there's a spiritual dimension. Could these drones be the signs in the heavens from Revelation, signaling the end times? A video capturing orbs floating above Detroit adds to this intrigue, suggesting these might not be drones at all, but omens akin to the plagues of Egypt, urging repentance or readiness for celestial events. The book of Revelation mentions locusts from the abyss, and these orbs echo that imagery, leading some to see them as signs of the apocalypse. However, there's a caution among believers. These could be the AntiChrist deception, using technology to mislead the faithful. Official explanations lean towards advanced military tech, yet without definitive answers, these sightings fuel speculation about the intersection of faith and the unknown. They challenge us to discern whether we're at the dawn of a new revelation or facing a clever ruse.
He's like right on it. Ooh, that whatever it was just shot down the drone, if that was a drone. Holy crap.
Remember, according to TikTok's community guidelines, we should avoid content that can mislead or incite fear. So, let's explore this mystery with curiosity and respect, questioning whether there are signs of something greater or simply unexplained phenomena. Let's keep our discussions open, respectful, and fun, staying within the bounds of TikTok's community spirit.